Friends, if you want to make a high converting landing page and want to earn more and more money from affiliate marketing by promoting any affiliate program, then you must watch this video till the end. Before getting started with today's video, make sure you subscribe to this channel as here I share many valuable content on make money online, CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon for all notifications right in your inbox. Hello and welcome friends, welcome back to another awesome video. So friends, today in this video, I am going to tell you about how you can make a very high converting landing page in order to promote any CPA offer or any affiliate program. Now, in order to earn more and more money online in affiliate marketing, all you need is a very high converting landing page. So if you too want to know how we can make a very high converting landing page in just 5 steps by following the 5-step formula, so to know that, you must watch this video till the end, because today in this video I am going to show you, I am going to reveal a particular platform which will help you to make a very high converting landing page. Alright, so in order to know all these things, all you need to do is, first of all, you have to follow up this video till the end without skipping a single second. So all you need to do is simply you have to search on googledomain.com. Okay, so you can visit its URL directly also. So all you need to do is, first of all, you have to follow this link. Alright, so as you can see, it is a platform of web hosting and website builder, e-commerce website builder and many more tools. As you can see, domain also, website builder also, and email also, and web hosting service also. Okay, so on this platform you can go with any of these services. Okay, but today I am going to tell you about its website builder, which will help us to make a very high converting landing page in order to promote our affiliate program and in order to earn more and more money online in affiliate marketing. So as you can see over here, I am on the website builder section of this particular platform, which is domain.com. Now first of all, let me show the traffic of this website. So as you can see over here, the traffic on this website is 1.6 million visits per month. As you can see, the traffic is bulk. Okay, so all you need to do is, first of all, you have to come on this website. You will find the link in the description. So follow that link and come on this website. And then you have to come in the website builder part. As you can see, the smart website builder. So it is one of the biggest and famous easy to use website builder, which will help you to design a website by just simply drag and drop, or even you can make a very high converting landing page in order to promote your any affiliate program or in order to promote your CPA offer. So as you can see over here, there are 3 plans, and let me tell you my dear friends that 3 plans are very affordable. As you can see in the starter plan, which is this one. So as you can see, $1.99 per month, and which is built for $1.99 per month also. So if you want to use this particular domain.com for just 1 month, then you can go with 1 month plan also. As you can see, it is of $2, and if you want to build it for 12 months, you can even do this. So the rate is same, as you can see, $1.99, and I think it is one of the affordable website builder which is by domain.com. Okay, this website builder is by domain.com, and it is one of the affordable website builder. With the help of this, you can just make more and more money online in affiliate marketing by just simply making a very high converting landing page. Promoting any affiliate program needs a landing page, so you must build a high converting landing page in order to get more leads and in order to get more sales. As you can see, the business plans and the e-commerce plan, so I think it is the best value because the services you will get over here are amazing. As you can see, there are many services, business plan features, sell products online, you can also create your e-commerce store. So it is very good. At this affordable cost, you are able to make your website, your e-commerce website, okay, e-commerce store on this particular domain.com website builder. And as you can see, inventory management and tracking, PayPal integration, which means that you can just withdraw your payment, receive your payment of your e-commerce business with the help of PayPal, offer coupon codes and promotion and telephone support. Okay, they are also providing you support. So I think this platform is just amazing as it is providing you many best services at very affordable cost. So all you need to do is, first of all, you have to follow the link which is given in the description, and then you have to come on this platform of website builder, which is by domain.com. As you can see, it is also mobile optimized, which means that the landing page, the website which you are going to make on this website builder is mobile friendly. Okay, customizable, secure and scalable. So it is very good that you are just able to make a website by just simply drag and drop without WordPress and without coding. So I think this platform is a gold mine for you. So all you need to do is, first of all, you have to pick one plan among these three plans according to your need, and then you have to make a website. As you can see in the most basic plan, storage is unlimited and you can just make 6 pages, okay, in this plan. So it is good if you are a beginner, you can do this. And the best part is that you are getting SSL certificate, which means SSL security, in these three plans. Okay, in the basic plan also, in the business plan also, as well as in the e-commerce plan also, you are going to get this SSL certificate. So it is good for your website and it is also good for the SEO of your website. Now further, I am going to show you the dashboard of this website builder, which is domain.com website builder. I will give a quick intro. I will explain you how you can easily customize and how you can easily build a quick landing page according to your CPO offer which you are promoting. Okay, so just be with this video and follow up this video till the end without skipping a single second, as now I'm going to show you how to customize a landing page or how to customize a website with the help of this website builder, which is by domain.com. So as you can see over here, after you pick one plan according to your need, then you will be simply able to come on the dashboard. Okay, you have to log into your dashboard, and as you can see, first of all, you have to set up your domain. Okay, now if you want a domain, you can go for .in, .me, .xyz. Okay, I am not recommending you .com. You can go with some low price domain. Okay, so it is not compulsory that you need to go with .co or .com. You can go with the domains that are very affordable, which means .me or .xyz, because we are planning to make a landing page, okay, so that we can drive our audience to our landing page and we can easily promote our CPO offer or any affiliate program in order to earn more and more money online. So as you can see over here, I am on my dashboard. So suppose I have made one website. Actually, I am just simply trying to understand it. Okay, as you can see, SSL is in progress. Okay, it will take time, but it will come for sure. Okay, so as you can see, there are many options available in your dashboard: domain security, domain information. Here you are also getting a webmail with your domain. Okay, so it is very good. And as you can see, you have to go in the website builder plan, and if you want to make a website with WordPress, you can even do this. And for this you need to purchase the WordPress one. Okay, so as you can see over here, you have to pay them $3.7 per month more in order to use WordPress, and I think this cost is also very affordable. Alright, so let me cut this and come back to website builder. As you can see, you have to go in the manage site option. So let me click over here, and then you have to customize a page. You have to make a landing page or a website by just simply drag and drop. So it is very easy. After you come on this particular section, as you can see over here, you will not find this dashboard directly. First of all, you have to answer some questions like your website name and your website category. Okay, so this is very easy. I am sure that you can easily do this. Alright, so as you can see over here, the customization options are very easy. Let me explain you quickly. As you can see over here, if you want to add some sections, suppose if you want to add some section, all you need to do is, first of all, you have to click on these sections, and there are many options available over here, like address section you want to add, or if you want to add app section, or if you want to add business hours. So there are many options like call to actions, image carousel, contact form, and this is one of the most important part. It must be there in your website. Alright, so as you can see over here, there are many options available. There are many options available in just this affordable price. So let me cut this, and if you want to add some section, like for an example, let me show you by adding a call to action section. So suppose if you want this action, so let me click on this, and as you can see, it comes over here. Now what if you want to drag this bottom? Okay, like you want this section to come above this contact form. So all you need to do is, first of all, you have to click on this down arrow. As you can see, you have to click on this. As you can see, it comes down. It is as simple as this. All you need to do is drag and drop. Okay, so there are many more options. Like if you will go in the pages section, currently we are customizing a home page, and you can also customize gallery page also, and you can also go with location page. So and you can also customize a contact page. Okay, so there is a different page. You can create any pages. Okay, so suppose if you want to change the theme, currently the theme of this website is light, and if you want a dark theme, you can go with this dark. It is also looking good. Okay, so let it be dark only, and you can also visit the settings. As you can see, the name of this site is this one. Suppose if you are promoting a SEMrush affiliate program, so for this you can go with you can go with SEMrush review. Okay, you can go with SEMrush, like something relevant to SEO. Okay, SEO tool guide. Okay, so you can name it as according to your CPO offer. So as you can see, you can also put your logo, your fav icon. You can even do SEO of your website, I mean your landing page. Okay, so this platform is just awesome, and to be honest, I have used many website builder, but working on this website builder is easy as compared to those website builder. Okay, so it has very easy to use interface, and it is also very easy to customize. Okay, so if you want to add your products, like if you are planning to make your e-commerce website, then you can visit this section with your store section. Okay, so we will help you to add your new store page. So for this you can go ahead, but for now I am not planning to add my store. Okay, so let me cut this. Now if you want to make a blog on this particular website builder, which is bydomain.com, you can even do this by simply clicking on this blog section. Okay, add your blog now. You can also add your blog and can start publishing your content in order to rank your website on the Google. Alright, so as you can see over here, there are many options available on this particular platform. So let me come back on my home page, and as you can see in the right section, there are some customization options. As you can see, like if you want to see this particular page in the mobile, you can also do this. Like suppose if you want to do its full page, it has come in the full width, but let me do this off. Okay, so as you can see buttons, if you want to hide the button, you can put this off. So it is very easy with the help of this particular website builder tool. Now as you can see, if you want to change the background image, you can even do this by simply visiting the background. Wait a second, you have to come on this, and then you have to visit the background section, and as you can see, you have to replace the image. You can even do this, or if you want to put some colors or video, you can even do this by visiting these sections. Okay, so as you can see over here, free stock videos are available over here, and YouTube videos are also available over here. So with the help of these many options, you can make a very high converting landing page. Now in order to make a very high converting landing page, you must follow the 5 steps. Let me show you. These are the 5-step formula. As you can see, suppose if you are promoting SEMrush affiliate, so as you can see, you must need the product, which means that you have to put wait a second, you have to come in your this dashboard, and you have to write in the header section need of the product, which means that you can write over here, if you want to rank your website on the Google, then you must follow this. Okay, so this is a catchy line that will suit in the header in order to make your landing page very high converting. And the second step is problems people are facing. Now after this section, you can make another section like this one, where you can write that the problems people are facing nowadays in order to rank their website on the Google, on the first page of Google. So this is a problem. Okay, and then after stating the problem, you also need to state the solution to that problem, which means that you can just simply make a section, and right there, if you want to rank your website on the first page of Google, then you can make use of SEMrush tool, which is just amazing. Okay, and then you have to give a call to action section, which means that like a button, as you can see here is a button, which means that behind this button you need to apply your affiliate link. Okay, so and the next option is a review of the product, which means that you can write some testimonials and some reviews of the offer which you are promoting. So in this 5-step formula, you can just make a very high converting landing page with the help of the website builder, which is of domain.com, which are very affordable. As you can see the services, and you can see the prices are very affordable as compared to the services they are offering to you. So I hope that you have understood that how to make a landing page or a website with the help of this particular website builder, which is by domain.com. So in this video, this much only. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon for all notifications right in your inbox. Thank you.